What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 5 credit card travel secrets you should know. Thinking about buying some plane tickets and taking a trip to some exotic locale? Or maybe you just want to fly across the state to visit some family? Wherever your destination, we assume you want to save as much money on travel as possible. That's where your credit card comes in. To entice their customers to spend more, many credit card issuers offer their customers convenient ways to cut back their travel costs through incentives, reward programs, and other perks. 1. Look for sign-up bonuses. A lucrative credit card sign-up bonus is one of the fastest ways to rack up thousands of air miles. Typically, issuers will offer tens of thousands of miles, usually between 30,000 and 50,000, as long as the cardholder spends a certain amount in the first few months of opening the card, usually somewhere between $2,000 and $10,000. 2. Sign up for every card possible. Another savvy way to travel credits is to open as many cards as you need to completely cover your travel plans. I recommend people, especially if they can get the card fee free for the first year, to sign up for every possible card. It really doesn't hurt your credit rating too much, especially if you haven't used the card too much. 2 things here will affect your credit: when issuers conduct a hard inquiry on your credit during your application process and cancel cards. Hard inquiries generate small penalties to your credit that are easy to recover from. And while experts generally warn against closing credit cards, the overall negative effect on your credit shouldn't be too great if the length of credit history on that card you closed is short. 3. Understand travel insurance. One of the most overlooked perks is travel insurance built right into your credit card. If you read the fine print that comes with your card, you might be surprised to learn you're protected against several unfortunate travel-related incidents, such as delays, cancellations, illness, loss of property, political events, strikes, riots, etc., and more. Let's say you and your family booked a $5,000 cruise, and 2 weeks before the cruise, your son breaks his leg, Hobika said. A lot of people don't realize that their credit card may reimburse them for anything that's not refundable. A lot of people eat these losses because they don't check the fine print on their credit cards. Not all cards offer travel insurance, and the coverage of those that do varies widely, so be sure to thoroughly check your credit card's fine print. Travel insurance can cost you upwards of $500, it depends on the value of the trip. Some credit cards cover you up to $10,000 in value. To insure a $10,000 trip, especially for 4 people, you could end up spending quite a lot of money when purchasing separate travel insurance. 4. Weigh the pros and cons of annual fees. Credit card companies are hesitant to offer hundreds upon thousands of dollars in travel rewards and get nothing in return. Issuers will try to lure you in by offering a $0 annual fee for the first year before charging anywhere from $50 to $500 a year or more. But there are indeed perks that come with those fees. For example, you might have access to an exclusive airport lounge with a particular card. You may get a free checked bag with any flight, or you'll have a very favorable points and rewards system in return for that annual fee. But is it really worth it? A lot of these airline cards have free checked bags for you and your traveling companions. A checked bag could be $50 each way and the card fee could be $90 a year. There's also purchase protection, baggage delay, and flight delay. It depends on how much you travel really. 5. Ask for more. Sometimes the best option is to ask for more out of your rewards. If there's one thing credit card companies hate more than losing money, it's losing customers. You could also try calling the credit card company and ask for another year fee-free. Tell them you're thinking of canceling the card. Maybe they can give you 5,000 miles to retain the card, or maybe they'll waive the fee for another year. It doesn't hurt to ask. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com/.